Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have meshed our model into smaller segment. In this video, we will learn how to create the jobs. First, we have to define our element types. So go to jobs, then here element types, click element types, and first we have to define the element types of rubber. So click solid, as rubber is a solid element. So we will choose this one, full and Harman formulation, this one 84. Why we choose this one? If you google it, you will better understand. Right now I'm not discussing here. I'm just telling you in short. If you choose full and Harman formulation, this one works well in for the rubber taps material. Rubber taps hyper elastic material, so this one works well for them. So I am choosing this one. So I have to choose the rubber. So choose here, this is sets. So click the rubber set and click OK. Then we have to define the carcass layer and other bell layers element types. So first we have to remove the rubber. So these are all of the carcass and bell layers. So as carcass are bell layers, we have defined in materials their membrane. So go here, shell membrane, and as they are defined as a river, so membrane river, this one, and choose all visible as they are visible one, not the rubber. So click all visible and you will see the element types has been implemented. How do we show it? You can click here, identify. You can see 147 is nothing but the number membrane river. And what about the rubber? You can see the rubber has a number which is called full and Harman formulation 84. You can see the legend here. Okay, so we have defined the element types. Now go to new structural, because we are doing structural jobs. So create structural. So first click the load case that we have defined earlier. So click load case, then initial load, we don't need to change anything here. Go to contact control here and choose segment to segment. Why we chose this one, I will discuss in another video. So go here, initial contact table 1, and click OK, and go to analysis options. Here implicit New York beta, this one works well, and advanced options, change this one to updated Lagrange, this one works well for the rubber test material, and turn on this one, multiplicative decomposition. Click OK. Okay, then go here, job parameters, and change this one as a table driven, and element 140 replaced by enabled, and dynamos user. Why we choose this one, I will explain in another video. If I explain in this video, the video will be longer, that's why I'm not discussing it here. Click OK. So we have defined all the parameters. Now let's check first. See, we have found 0 errors and 0 warnings. So the job check has been completed. Then go to run. So this is our run job. So in this window, you have to submit, then the model will start analyzing. So click submit, and you see the model is running. This is the increment cycle. This is nothing but the step that we have defined. You can see here, load case, this one. I can see we have defined 300 steps, so 300 increment cycle will be done. So you can see that now is in a number 2 cycle. So in the next video I will discuss how to visualize the deformed shapes, and other parameters. Till now, goodbye.